Adobe Creative Cloud is a powerhouse for creatives, but is it really worth the investment? With so many features packed into one suite, it's easy to get lost. Let's dive into what makes it tick and whether it lives up to the hype. Adobe Creative Cloud is essentially a subscription service that gives you access to a wide range of creative applications, from Photoshop and Illustrator to Premiere Pro and After Effects. The user experience can feel intuitive, especially for those already familiar with Adobe's ecosystem. Each app is tailored for different creative tasks, whether it's graphic design, video editing, or web development. What stands out immediately is the seamless integration between these apps. You can easily move assets between Photoshop and Illustrator, for instance, which can save a lot of time. However, the sheer number of features can be overwhelming for newcomers. Another thing to consider is the cloud storage aspect, which allows you to access your projects from anywhere, but might feel like a double-edged sword for those concerned about data privacy. Overall, it's a robust toolkit for professionals, but beginners might find the learning curve a bit steep. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the breadth of tools available is fantastic. You really have everything you need in one place. The collaborative features are also a big plus, making it easier to work with teams. However, there are some frustrations. The subscription model can be pricey, especially if you only need one or two apps. Plus, some users report that the frequent updates can lead to bugs or unexpected changes in functionality. Another concern is the reliance on cloud storage. If you're not comfortable with that, it might not be the best fit for you. Ultimately, while Adobe Creative Cloud is a dream for many creatives, it might feel like overkill for casual users or those on a tight budget. In conclusion, Adobe Creative Cloud is ideal for serious creatives who need a comprehensive toolkit and are willing to invest in it. However, if you're just starting out or only need basic tools, you might want to explore alternatives that offer more straightforward pricing. Overall, it's worth trying, but do your research first.